Welcome back to Anesthesia with Babar. In this video, Human Body MCQs Part 8. We'll discuss more important and interesting questions about the human body with answers and explanations. This video is specially made for medical nursing and paramedical students. Let's begin and learn something new today. Let's start. The main organ of the nervous system is correct option A, brain. Explanation: the brain controls all body functions through the nervous system. The fluid that circulates in the human body is called correct option B, blood. Explanation: blood carries oxygen, nutrients, and hormones throughout the body. Which organ stores urine temporarily? Correct option B, bladder. Explanation: the urinary bladder stores urine until it is excreted. Which type of joint is found in the shoulder? Which part of the blood helps in oxygen transport? Correct option C, red blood cells. Explanation: red blood cells contain hemoglobin that carries oxygen. What is the function of the diaphragm? Correct option B, helps in breathing. Explanation: the diaphragm contracts and relaxes to enable breathing.